Okay, first of all, I got these from clock repair store, and they don't seem to work that well. So I used the old one. I just made it shorter. The original one. This is the foot. Just like on a cuckoo clock, it has to have a space in between it so the pendulum leader can bounce back and forth on it to give it the inertia to tick. And you can see it's moving back and forth on that, and it's been ticking away for 10-15 minutes now, so I think it'll continue to tick, but I'm going to leave it without the pace on for a little while, but I'll let you listen to it. And it stops. It's doing like it's supposed to be done. So I think we're getting there, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. God bless.